So Zach, are you going to put on your lovely glasses?
Yeah, I get my turn at my glasses. So these were the ones we got at Buc-ee's. They're $1.99, and I'm gonna get my. Oh wow!
Told you.
All of a sudden, boom! So guys, right now we have probably 80% coverage of the sun. So Linda, give a shot up. That's what 80% coverage looks like. Okay guys, we've come outside. We're here at the coach house and we want to get some footage of the eclipse. We're here in Dallas, Texas. We're just at part of the height of the coverage area.
Yeah, and the eclipse is happening right now, and you are getting to see what kind of light we're getting during the eclipse. This is once in a lifetime event that actually here, this eclipse is going over us. It's very exciting. We're just north of Dallas, and we're out here witnessing it.
It's kind of like the Prevost bus RV versus the sun. Well, guess who's winning? It's the sun.
Absolutely.
In fact, we decided to keep the bus in the coach house. No need pulling it out. It's not going to do us any good for this, but it's going to do great for us to show you what this is all about here today.
Yeah, so check it out with us, guys.
Linda, how do you feel about the light right now that we're seeing out here?
It's a little creepy. I don't know. I think I'm about ready to be in a horror movie or something. It's very odd lighting.
Okay, so here it is. This is what we're looking at. Again, a little bit of cloud cover today, and the sun will be moving more into the screen here shortly. Okay, as we get more and more of the eclipse almost to the point of full coverage, it just feels darker and darker. Now the camera exposure is compensating for that. Here, this strikes me like I have a really heavy pair of sunglasses on right now, and everything's very darkened like it was late in the day. I wish the camera picked it up, but of course it adjusts the exposure so that it's typical. That's not what we're seeing here. So guys, I wish there was a little bit more we could do for you, but that is the glasses over the lens, and that's the eclipse as we're seeing it right now. I just told Linda, I said, whoa, it got real dark all of a sudden.
It was a little creepy. I mean, I cannot believe how dark it is. Okay, it probably feels like maybe 7:30 at night right now. The camera is picking up, so you can't tell that it went from, you know, very sunny skies to kind of dark evening skies. I'm watching a car driving, and they would be driving with their lights on right now. So that's what it's like out there.
Yeah, this is definitely the darkest moment we've had of the entire time. And it feels like sun's down, you know, sunset's already happened, and it's just the remnants of the light of the day. I wish this would show up for you guys. It's kind of creepy weird.
Yeah, it's very creepy feeling. Like it feels like there's a major storm coming in, right?
Yeah, that'd be a good way to put it, like a storm.
Right before the bad storm hits and everything's really dark and gloomy, and it went from sunny skies to instantly, but you can see people's lights on their houses have clicked on now because it turned on to dark so fast. People are driving with their lights on. this is darkening.
Wow, that is amazing right now. Oh, wow.
Okay, I can see why it's once in a lifetime deal.
That is something. There's some cloud coverage, but the cloud coverage is also allowing us to look at it and see it with the naked eye. You see something that looks like a little star over there. That's just a lip of it that's still available to us to see.
Oh, that was freaky. That was amazing.
Yeah, okay.
Oh my gosh.
I really thought the earlier looks that was it. That was all we were going to see. And then all of a sudden, when it hit 100%, it was just
100%.
crazy.
We got it. Oh, wow. That was amazing. It was the entire circle, right?
Yeah, it was. Full circle. Gosh, guys, the clouds are over it right as it's 100%. Now
We
it's,
probably had, what, 10 seconds of it?
yeah, before the clouds all hit, we did. So, what a great look. And already it is starting to get brighter out here, as you can see it. The moon moving across. Okay, guys, that was pretty amazing. Now, here's the truth. I told Lynn, I said, I think we're done. Let's go out, because we were both thinking, this is not too big of a deal. And then Linda ups and says, no, give me a couple of more minutes. And then, boom, it hit. Look how much brighter we're getting all of a sudden. That's just crazy looking.
Amazing. Okay, so now we're getting the edge on the right side, and it's, kind of a glowing edge. Here, Zach, you want to take a look?
You bet. I just wish more of this would show for you guys.
Can you see it? It's coming full out.
Yep.
Let me look. Yeah, it's just that edge.
The moments we've got were just fantastic.
Amazing! It was absolutely amazing. Okay, I didn't really understand the hype that much, but now I totally get the hype now that I saw it. That was epic. Pretty cool, people.
All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed this short episode of Live Tomorrow Now, and we were living the eclipse, right,
Yeah.
Linda?
Once in a lifetime solar experience, and you can see us, we're back in the sun again. So it's pretty crazy.
Yeah, please check out our channel. We go to a lot of places, do a lot of things. We'd love for you to come along.
Yeah, give us a subscribe, a like, comment. If you've seen the eclipse somewhere else, tell us about it. We'd love to hear from you.
All right, guys, thanks for joining us, and have a great week.